The universe is constantly providing us with new data that shatters our preconceived notions.
Let's look at Saturn. For as long as humanity has had telescopes good enough to resolve it, Saturn's rings have been its defining, majestic feature. But we never entirely knew where they came from.
We had theories, but no solid proof.
Now, incredibly complex new computer simulations have provided compelling evidence that those iconic rings are actually the debris of a lost, shattered moon.
It is a profoundly violent origin story for something so beautiful. To understand how this happens, you have to understand orbital mechanics, specifically a concept called the Roche limit.
Okay, yes, break this down for me. What exactly is the Roche limit?
Imagine two celestial bodies, a massive planet like Saturn, and a smaller moon orbiting it. Gravity is not uniform. The side of the moon facing Saturn feels a stronger gravitational pull than the far side of the moon.
Because it's physically closer to the planet.
Exactly. This difference in gravitational pull across the diameter of the moon creates what we call tidal forces.
Like the tides on Earth from our moon.
Right. Now, the moon is held together by its own internal gravity. But if that moon orbits too close to Saturn, it crosses a mathematical boundary known as the Roche limit.
What happens at that boundary?
At this specific distance, the tidal forces exerted by Saturn become stronger than the moon's own self-gravity holding it together.
So it's like two people holding hands on a spinning playground merry-go-round, and the centrifugal force just gets so strong that their grip slips and they fly apart.
That is a great way to visualize it. The gravitational shear literally tore the moon apart.
Wow.
It didn't just break into large asteroids. It ground the moon down into billions of pieces of ice and rock dust that now spread out along the orbital plane, creating the rings we see today.
It shows us that the solar system is not a static, peaceful diorama. It is dynamic, destructive, and constantly reshaping itself.